We are going into August, and we are playing a little bit of Monday morning quarterback. Challenging month. Last 7 days have been choppy. Price action, not typical. It follows some general guidelines that don't typically work. And so taking a look at this new trading system, I want to show you kind of how this works. It's based on this dynamic tick count trend indicator at the bottom. And if you see, it's not this first indicator, but it is the second indicator at the bottom right here. So we're looking at this right here. It's the tick count trend dynamic indicator, and it looks at the NYSE tick, which tells you the number of stocks in an uptick and the number of stocks in a downtick. This bottom line is the advanced decline line. In the last 2 days, it was down. Same thing, the number of stocks that are up for the day or down for the day. This is based on a tick-by-tick basis. The dollar sign tick, the ADD is based on where they are based on their previous day's close, up or down for the day. So you see this tends to go down. Down yesterday, it was around minus 1,500, and counterintuitive, you would say, oh, it's oversold, let's buy it. Typically, that doesn't work, but it's been working lately. And so when this is oversold in your mindset, maybe minus 1,500 is oversold, and then you see the ticks start to take over. The blue means that the ticks are up. The red means the ticks are down. And so the dynamic tick indicator, the reds are leading the way. The reds are leading the way. Some blue comes in, and then the reds are leading the way. Reds are leading the way. Boom, the blues start leading the way. And then we say, okay, let's wait for a pullback. The ticks are starting to lead. The advanced decline line is down. Let's buy this. Let's look for a place to buy this. And so as we go over here, we see a pullback to the Bollinger Band. And then, boom, you have this rally into the close, almost 50 points from the low to the high of the day. And this strategy would have captured this move. Is this a good trading system? Historically, I want to show you the results going back 7 years. Historically, this makes sense. This is what you would think would work as a trader. And historically, going back 7 years, this doesn't really work. It doesn't really work to buy when the advanced decline line is down. I haven't found that to be the case. Matter of fact, I found it to be the case that it's better to short the market most of the time when the advanced decline line is down. But we are in a Fed-stimulated economy. Since when did this start working? When did this start working? Let's take a look. There's March 23rd. What happened on March 23rd? We had the stimulus, the greatest stimulus package by the Federal Reserve started on March the 23rd, and this strategy has gone straight up since that time. Keep in mind, this is a long-only version of this strategy. So I'm calling this tick pullback dynamic. And so what has it done since that low? It is per S&P futures contract. You see minus 15,000, and you're up here at 2,700. So about $12,000, $13,000 run per contract, trading this one simple pattern. And so this is going back 7 years. So this is not really the right way to trade historically. We look for things like this because it makes sense. Trying to pick a bottom is what we like to do as traders when we first get started, finding turning points, finding massive counter trend rallies, get in on short covering rallies. How do you find those? They're very, very hard to find these V reversals. But this is one way that's worked since the Fed stimulus package came out. You know, going into the Fed stimulus package, you wouldn't have said, okay, let's all of a sudden start trading a system that's not working. This system doesn't work. Now that the Fed has a stimulus package, let's pick this system and start trading it. You wouldn't know to do that really. And so you can see yesterday, Thursday it captured this move. Friday it captured this move. Let's look at some of the other moves that it has captured. You see a little rally right there into the close. And this does not have a profit target on it, but I'm going to add a profit target. So I'm going to format the strategy and add a profit target. So I format strategy, and I go in here and I take a look, and I say profit target, I want to set it to true. Stop loss is 600. The profit target, we'll just set it at 600 for now, and then we'll look at the results once it's updated. So now you see the results here are a little bit better historically. When did this work? What happened back here? You know that this is these are some rare time frames right here. Let's look at 2018. 2018, it went down in 2018 and then it went up. And then what happened right here? The big sell-off, the pandemic started right here. So since April of 2018, the Fed pivot kind of happened in January of 2018. So since April of 2018 through the beginning of the pandemic, this has kind of worked with a $600 profit target, and it's worked really well since March 23rd. Fed stimulus, the Fed stimulus trader. I should just call this the Fed stimulus trading system. You can catch falling knives now. Historically, you cannot catch falling knives. Historically, you shouldn't try to catch falling knives when you trade, but now you can catch falling knives with the Fed stimulus trading system. So minus 44.25 all the way up here to 42.37. That's $8,600 on this trading system in the last since March 23rd. So about 4 months. We're looking at this on August the 1st, and so nice results. And I'm going to make this available to the All Strategy Access. If you have the All Strategy Access, this is one of the trading systems that we're looking at trading and managing and monitoring going into August. And historically, I like trading systems that are long term, and we look at emerging trading systems. So instead of making a lot of modifications to current strategies, our current strategies have done well. This month was a down month, but so we want to look at strategies that are working right now and slowly maybe add those strategies. And this is one of those strategies, Fed stimulus trading system. If you have the All Strategy Access, you will be receiving this system before Monday. For TradeStation, it'll take me a little longer to get it done in NinjaTrader, and you will see this trading system. You'll have access to trade this trading system in your All Strategy Access account with one other trading system that I'm going to go over in the next video.